Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Perfnique Kitchen Compost Bin, which is this compost bin right here. This is going to be a 1.3 gallon countertop compost bin with lid that you can currently get on Amazon for about $30. You can either purchase it for $30 with compost bags or $27.99 without compost bags. It comes in several different color options. There's going to be the cream, which is this color. There's going to be gray and white, mint and black and like a white. And each of them are going to have a very similar design like this on the front. So what we'll do in this video is really just go over the packaging, open it up and show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to set it up. But this is what the packaging looks like. It says compost, nourish the earth, Perfnique on the front. Nothing else as far as the box on the sides, and then really just kind of manufacturing information on this side. We'll open the lid, and so inside here you're going to have everything that's included. So you're going to have the bottom part of the container, you're going to have the inside of the container, a whole bunch of biodegradable compost bags, a total of 100, which you can purchase for only $2 with this purchase, and then the lid itself. Additionally, there's a charcoal filter on the top, and then an extra charcoal filter here. And so that's everything that comes in the packaging here. I'm just going to take off this, but basically this is the compost bin. It's basically like a galvanized metal. It says compost, nourish the earth. This is like this cream and black color, very appealing to the eye. This is the inside container, has a another sticker there, but basically, sorry, there's basically it's a plastic bin, no holes or anything in that. This goes directly in here, okay? And then this is the lid. On the inside of the lid, there is a cotton filter, so there's holes, or carbon filter, so there's holes there that prevent odor and any bugs, if you had bug exposure, from getting in and out. And that lid goes right on top of here. And the nice thing about this lid is it actually clicks on, so it's sturdy. So any moisture or anything doesn't build up, and you can just lift it off. As far as the other thing, it has a second carbon filter and then an insert here saying thank you Perfnique, a moment of best creation. Has a registration online, so you can register online to join their community. As far as the bags themselves, so it says right here it's 100 pack biodegradable compost bags. Says ideal for kitchen, fruit, vegetables, and garden waste. It's 1.2 gallon bags, compostable, 100% biodegradable, and made from cornstarch. The bag size is 350 by 400 millimeters. Its volume is 4.5 liters, which, yeah, I guess that matches 1.2 gallons. It's 100% naturally organic, recyclable. Whether this is actually compostable, who knows? A lot of times you have to test this, but these are the bags that come with the product if you purchase it. And these bags, basically all you have to do is insert it directly into here. And then you can put it on this black part and then throw it inside here. And then sit it all the way flush like this. And so that sits all the way in there, and then you can put this lid on, ideally, yeah, and it actually hides the plastic bag entirely, so you can put this directly on your countertop. I've been composting for quite some time now. In my prior apartment, I had a ton of plants. I just used basically like a plastic jug and used like compost mixed with like soil and different paper products to minimize the moisture, but that's usually how you start it. And in my new apartment, I'm using this because I used to like throw my scraps out to the rabbits behind where I live, but where I currently live, I can't do that. So I'm gonna do this instead and feed it to the plants that I get new while I'm in this apartment. But that's all I have for this video. This is the Perfnique compost bin. You can currently get it on Amazon for about $30 versus $27 if you don't want the bags. For the price of the bags, I think it's definitely worth it. because that's probably the cheapest way you could actually get these bags. So as long as they're biodegradable and compostable, they're a great option. But I'll use this over the upcoming months, test it out, see its functionality for composting. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But thanks for watching and have a great night.